Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn on your screen for longer on your iPhone. So basically what happens when you keep your screen like this, it gets off within 30 seconds or within 1 minute. So how can you increase the screen time? So yeah, I got your solution. For that, go to your settings on your iPhone, and from here you just need to swipe down and after that you will find these settings called display and brightness. Tap here once and after that you will be shown to this screen. From here you need to swipe down again, and from here you will find this option called auto lock. As you can see, currently it's 30 seconds. What does this mean? If I keep my screen idle, after 30 seconds it will turn off. So I want to increase it, so I want to make this 3 minutes. Or if you want the screen to never turn off, unless and until you turn off manually, you can keep it on never. So for me, I'm just going to keep it on 1 minute. So yeah, that's how you increase your screen stay longer on your iPhone.